Figure shows a sketch of curve C with the equation y is equal to 2e to the power minus x root sin x, where x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than pi. The finite region R shown in figure 1 is bounded by the curve and the x-axis from 0 to pi. Complete the table below. We have to find pi over 2, so that will be put x is equal to pi over 2 in both the cases, so we are going to get that is 0.415759415759. We have to write 1 2 3 4 up to 5. 1 2 3 4 5, so it is 0.41576. So that is the first one. Now part B is says use trapezium rule with all the values of y in the completed table. With these values, find the estimate area of the region R. We have to find this area. So trapezium rule is integral y dx will be half h, this is 0 to pi, h is pi over 4 minus 0, so that is pi over 4, multiply, the extreme values are 0 plus 0, so it is 2.76679 plus 0.41576 plus 0.15940. Here the extreme values are 0, otherwise you would have to add those values. So that is equal to pi over 8, and if you calculate it, that will be, we calculate it directly, there is no need to write pi over 8. You can check the complete value in your calculator, and this value is, let me check it, and this will be 1 point, what I am getting in my calculator is 1.053965 065. Now we have to write this up to 4 places of decimals. So 1 2 3 4, the 4 places of decimal. This one is 9, so this one is 6, so the answer will be 1.0540. So that is the answer of part B. Now part C is y is equal to 2 e to the power minus x root sin x. We have to find dy over dx. So dy over dx is first function e to the power minus 2x, differential of second sin x to the power half, so half sin x to the power minus half, then plus second function root sin x, and the differential of e to the power minus x is e to the power minus x and minus 1. So this will be, this 2 and 2 cancel, e to the power minus x is common, we can take it as, so this is 1 over root sine x plus this is 2, this will be minus now, this is minus 2 root sine x. Now part D is the curve C has a maximum turning point when x is equal to a. Use your answer of part C. The answer of part C is dy over dx to find the value of a, giving your answer to 3 places of decimal. Now so dy over dx at x is equal to a will be e to the power minus a cos a over root sine a minus 2 root sine a. And it's saying that maximum turning point. So for turning point, dy over dx is 0. At this particular point, the dy over dx is 0. So it means e to the power minus a is not 0. So it concludes that cos a over root sine a we can write is equal to 2 root sine a. Multiply both sides by root sine a, multiply root sine a, this and this will be cancelled. So cos a is equal to root sine, this is a root sine a is 2 sine a. Divide both sides by, we divide both sides by, you can divide by sine a also, but let's divide it by cos a. Cos a, so that is 10 a is equal to half. A is equal to 10 inverse half, and that is, it's giving us the value of 0.463647 up to 3 places of decimal. So this is 6, so plus 1. So the answer will be a is equal to 0.464. That is the answer of part D. Use the binomial series to expand 1 over 2 minus 3x cube, where x mod value of x is 2 over 3 is in the ascending power of x up to and including the term of x square, giving each term as a simplified fraction. So this we can write as 2 minus 3x to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 3 is common, so we have 1 minus 3 over 2 x to the power minus 3. So this is 2 to the power minus 3 is 8, and if I expand this one, it is 1 plus minus 3 minus 3 over 2x to the power 1 plus minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 over 2 x to the power 2, and this will be factorial 0, factorial 1 and factorial 2. So 2 multiply 1. So this is equal to 1 over 8, 1 minus minus plus 3 times 3 is 9 x over 2 minus 3 square is plus, this is minus 4 and minus minus plus 4 times 3 is 12, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 and 2 is 2 x square. We have to write up to the x square only, so this is 1 over 8 plus 9 over 8 times 2 is 16x, and this will be this is 4 times 3, 9 times 3 is 27 over 27 over 16 x square. This is part A. Now we go to part B. If fx is equal to 4 plus kx over 2 minus 3x cubed is the same where k is a constant in the same condition, given that the series expansion of fx in ascending power of x is this. Now part B is, we have this 4 plus kx multiply 1 over 8 plus 4 plus kx multiply 9x over 16 plus 4 plus kx (27) x square over 16. So let's multiply this. So we are having, so this is equal to 4 multiply 1 over 8 plus kx multiply 1 over 8 plus 4 multiply 9x over 16 plus kx multiply 9x over 16 plus 4 multiply 27 over 16x square plus kx. Now this is x cube, we don't have x cube, so there is no need to write this one. Now we check the constant. This is 1 over 2, so this is a constant. This we can see having x and x. Now this one we are having x and x, that is x square and x square. So this one is a term with x square as a coefficients. So now this is equal to plus, in this we have x common, so it is k over 8 plus 36 over 16 plus, here x square is common, so 9k over 16 plus 27 times 4 is 108 over 16 x square. Now we compare with this one. So if we compare this one, so compares with half plus ax plus 16 x square. If we compare, then we know that k over 8 plus 36 over 16 is equal to a, and 9k over 16 plus 108 over 16 is equal to 81 over 16. So let's compare this value. So first we calculate the value of k. So 9k over 16 plus 108 over 16 is equal to 81 over 16. So this cancel. It shows that 9k is equal to 81 minus 108. 81 minus 108 is 8 minus 1, 7 to minus 27. So k is equal to minus 27 over 9. So the value of k is minus 3. Now we put the value of k here. Put k is equal to minus 3 in k over 8 plus 36 over 16 minus 3 over 8 plus 36 over 16. You make this one 16, so multiplied by 2, so it will be equal to 36 minus 6 over 16, that is 30 over 16, that is 15 over 8. So the value if a is 15 over 8. Use partial fraction and integration to find the exact value of 3 to 4 2x square minus 3 over x minus 1. So let's divide 2x square minus 3 over x minus 1 into partial fraction. So this will be a plus b over x plus c over x minus 1. So this can be written as 2x square minus 3 will be equal to a x minus 1 into x plus bx minus 1 plus c multiply x. So first condition is put x is equal to 1. So this is 2 minus 3, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0 plus c. So this indicates that c is equal to minus 1. Now put x is equal to 0. 2 into 0 square minus 3 is equal to, this is 0, b 0 minus 1 plus 0. So this is minus 3 is equal to minus b. So it shows that b is equal to 3. So now equation becomes 2x cube minus 3 is equal to a multiply x minus 1 plus 3 x minus 1 minus x. x. Now if we compare it, this is square, not cube. 2x, this is square. Now this is 2x square. This is equivalent to ax square. So if we compare this, we can say that a is equal to 2. So our partial fractions of integral 2x square minus 3 over x minus 1 will be integral of 2 dx. This is dx, 2 dx plus integral 3 over x dx minus integral 1 over x minus 1 dx. So this is 2x, this is minus 3 over x square there is 3 over x, so it will be 3, not 3 over x square, it's 1 over x, so 3 ln x minus, this is minus, so this will be plus 3 ln x, and this is minus ln x minus 1, and because this is 3 to 4, so it will be 3 to 2 multiply 4 plus 3 ln 4 minus ln 4 minus 1 minus 2 multiply 3 minus 3 ln 3 minus ln 3 minus 1. So this is 8 plus, this can be written as 3, this can be written as ln 4 to the power 3 divided by 3 minus 6, this is plus, this is not minus, this is plus, so plus ln 3 to the power 3 over 2, so 8 minus 6 is 2 ln, this is positive, so 4 is to the power 3 over 3 divided by 3 is to the power 3 multiply 2 plus, so this will be equal to 2 plus ln 128 over 81. So that is the answer. Write your answer in a plus ln b. So if you compare with a plus, so a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 128 over 81. B is a rational, and saying b is a rational constant. Fx is equal to 2 ln x minus 4. Sketch on a ln x. then minus 4, and then 2. So the graph is we know the graph of ln x is this is minus 4. The graph will be this. Let's try to find this point and 2 ln. Let's see where the graph is crossing this. So here the y is 0, so 2 ln x minus 4 is equal to 0, ln x square is equal to 4, so antilog x square is equal to e to the power 4, so x is equal to e square. So the graph will be this is e square and 0. This is question number A, first part, and the second part is y is equal to absolute value of fx. So this graph will be, this is e square and from here the positive side, so the graph will be the reflection. This is the graph because there is no negative value here, and asymptotes will be x is equal to 0 will be the asymptote. Now part B, find the exact solution of equation mod fx is equal to 4. So we have two conditions, that fx is 2 ln x minus 4 is equal to 4 and 2 ln x minus 4 is equal to minus 4. So first we solve this. So 2 ln x is equal to minus 4 and 4, 8. So ln x is equal to 4, so x is equal to e to the power 4, and 2 ln x is equal to minus 4 plus 4, 0, so ln x is equal to 0, so x is equal to e to the power 0, so that is 1. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to e to the power 4. So this is the solution for this one. This is part B. Part C is, that is part C. It says gx is equal to e to the power x plus 5 minus 2 and x belongs to R. Find gfx. So gfx is equal to g 2 ln x minus 4 is equal to e to the power 2 ln x minus 4 plus 5 minus 2. So this is equal to e to the power 2 ln plus 1 minus 2. So that can be written as e to the power 2 ln multiply e minus 2. So that is e to the power this is ln x, this is ln x. So e to the power ln x square multiply e minus 2. So this will be equal to e to the power 1, e to the power ln x square means x square minus 2. So that is the answer, ex square minus 2. That is gfx. That is the answer, part C. Now part D is x belongs to real number. So range of gfx is always, this is negative 2, so it will be greater than negative 2. Figure shows the sketch of a part of a curve with the parametric equation x is equal to 20t over 2t plus 1 and y is equal to t minus 4. T is a positive number. The curve cuts the x-axis at point B. So here it is x, so y is equal to 0. So put y is equal to in y is equal to t minus 4. So 0 is equal to t minus 4. So it means t will be 0 and t will be 4. So if t is equal to 0, x will be 20 multiplied x will be 0, and if t is equal to 4, x will be 20 multiply 4 over 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, that is 80 over 9. So the coordinates of coordinate of P will be 4 and 80 over 9 and 0. These are the coordinate of P. This is part A. Now part B is show that dy over dx. So now we have to find the dy over dx. Dy over dx is equal to dy over dt over dx over dt. So this is equal to that is equal to d over dt is t minus 4 over d over dt. X is 20t over 2t plus 1. So this is equal to, this is t square, so t square will be 2t minus 4t is minus 4, and the denominator will be, that is, we take 20 out, first function multiply differential of second, that is minus 1 2t plus 1 is to the power minus 2 multiply 2 plus 2t minus plus 1, and differential of t is 1. So that is equal to, if we take 2 common, so this is t minus 2, this 2 will be cancelled, it will be 10, so it will be, this is 2, this is minus and t, minus 2t divide by 2t plus 1, 2t plus 1 square plus 2t plus 1. So this is t minus 2, this is 10, this is minus 2t plus 2t plus 1 multiply by 2t plus 1 square and 2t plus 1 square. This is negative 1, this is negative 1, so 10 minus 2t, so this will be plus 2t plus 1, so this will be t minus 2 2t plus 1 square over 10. So dy over dx is t minus 2 2t plus 1 square over 10. Now part C is x is equal to 20t over 2t plus 1. X is equal to 20t over 2t plus 1, and we have to make t as a subject. So we have to make t as a subject. So let's start with the cross multiplication, that is 2 tx or xt plus x is equal to 20t. Now we have t and t this side, so x is equal to 20t minus 2xt. So in this we can see 20 minus 2x and t common, we have to make t subject, so t is equal to x over, that will be 20 minus 2x. So this is t as a subject. This is the first part, And the second part is, hence find a Cartesian equation of the curve C. Write your answer in the form of y is equal to fx. So we have the parametric equation. So let's start with, say, y is equal to t minus 4. So that is x over 20 minus 2x and x over 20 minus 2x minus 4. So y is equal to let's multiply this 20 minus 2x is equal to x. This we have 20 minus 2x, so this is x, minus 20 times 4 is 80, minus minus plus 8x. So y is equal to, let be like this only, y is equal to x square minus 80x plus 8x square over 20 minus 2x square. So y will be 8x square plus x square, this is 9x square minus 80x over 20 minus 2x square. So that is the Cartesian equation. In x and y, 20 minus 2x square. So 20 minus 2x, so 20 minus 2x, and our value of x is given it, x is greater than 0 and less than k. So we can see that x is 10, so 0 is, x is greater than 0 and less than k, and the